Howdy, howdy. Happy to be here and happy you're here with me. And if you're new here and enjoy this content, I hope you'll subscribe. My name is Heather and this is Southern Gals Crochet. Hi. So today we're going to talk about everything that I have crocheted in market prep for the last week, a little over a week. All right. So last time we talked, I had just finished some roses for the museum, and sorry. And that evening, I started working on some giraffes because, you know, their logo is a giraffe. And I decided I was going to do two giraffes at the same time. Did all the legs and then did the body for one. And then when I went to go start doing the body for the second one, I was like, this is not going to be enough yarn. And I pulled out the next skein of yarn that I had in my stash, and it was not the same color. At first glance, it looked exactly the same, but you put them side by side, they're not. And I was like, well, that kind of threw me off, and I didn't do anything else for the rest of the evening. I was just so flustered from that. So those are sitting, waiting for a yarn shipment to come in. And so then I was like, okay, well, I need some brontosauruses because that seems to be the most popular dinosaur that I send over to the museum. And so I managed to get 3 brontosauruses done, and then I took everything to the museum, and she was thrilled. The only thing she did ask for was some butterflies, and boy, I tell you, butterflies are a lot of work. And so I did add that to my list of things to do, even though I'm not a big fan of how much work it is to do a butterfly. All right. So when I went to the museum on Saturday, I just basically took the whole day off. I just didn't have the mojo to get anything started. And so I just took the day off and relaxed and got a pedicure and, you know, just had a good old time. And then of course when Sunday rolled around, I was like, I gotta get this going. Hello, Dad.
Hey, what you doing?
I'm in the middle of making a video.
Okay.
Say hi to all the people.
How much rain did you get?
Uh, and I don't know. You'd have to call Bill and ask him. I don't know. I don't keep
Oh,
track of that.
okay. Anyway, I got 3/4 of an inch. That's it.
3/4. Boy, all that rain and that's all you got.
That's all we got here. Yeah.
Yeah. Isn't that a bummer?
Brownsville got 11 inches.
I know. Downtown got some places flooded. Yep.
Anyway, I just wanted to let you know, see how you were doing.
I'm doing all right. I'm getting ready for my market tomorrow.
Huh?
I'm getting ready for my market tomorrow.
Oh, well, and where is that?
It's gonna be out 173 on the north side of Bandera.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, it's gonna be a car show.
You have it in different places or all the same?
Yeah, they're all over the place.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anyway, well, have a good weekend.
All right. Talk to you later.
Bye.
Bye. Welcome to Dad. Gotta take his calls because, you just never know how much time he's got left. Can't ignore him. All right, where was I? Back to, oh, I was getting back into the groove. I had to get buckle down and get some things done. Where was I? I don't know. And Daddy got me all flustered. Um, all right. Okay, so first things first, I was like going through my list, looking at what I am really, really low on. And the first thing that popped up naturally is sea turtles. And so I got some sea turtles done, some small ones. I don't do super small ones anymore. I mean, yes, they sell out, but boy, they are really hard on the hands. So, let's see. And one more. One more. Really cute. Oh, sea turtle. These are actually the medium-sized turtle in my sea turtle pattern. But, yep, got me some sea turtles done. I was down to my last, I believe, 2 sea turtles. So, it was time to get those done. Oh, I am dropping things all over the floor. All right, next up, I noticed I haven't had any possums in my shop in quite a while. So we got some possums done. I do believe there are 6 of them all together. Super cute little guys. They sell so well, and they're just hard to keep in stock. So I got some possums done. And let's see, what else did I do? Possums. Oh, the bunnies. Bunnies. Let's get the bunnies over here. uh, so, let's see, bunnies. I got the cute little laid back ears, bunnies. So interesting. Even with the same yarn type, same hook, this one came out bigger than the rest. I don't know why the pink always comes out just a little bit bigger. But we got the blue and purple and a really neon orange color. So I was happy to get those done. I wanted to get more done, but boy, I seem to be always wanting to do more than what I can possibly manage to do. As usual, right? Then I got some loaf cats done, and of course, oh, here he is. I was like, I lost another loaf cat. That pink and lavender and aqua and baby blue. And that's a good thing I got those done because I was down to my last loaf cat. And I actually really need to get some easy cats done. I think I only have 2 easy cats left. It's just time keeps getting away from me. And of course, I am trying to get back into the swing of things. Oh, all right. After the love cats, I got the rubber ducks. My little rubber ducks done. I haven't released the pattern. I just jotted it down. I haven't released it. So if you, I mean, it's just like pretty much like every one you see. But I'll jot it down if you want it. And let's see. And after the rubber ducks, which was Wednesday, so we'll talk about yesterday. So I am like going through my list, trying to see what all needs to be done. And there's a couple of things I could be doing, but I also remembered I wanted to put some butterflies on the list. Well, I had purchased this pattern. I think it's from Teresa's crochet shop. I had purchased it a while back. I'm guessing like a year ago, and I never got around to doing it. And so I was like, okay, it looks simple enough. I will get 6 of them done, right? Believe believe it or not, it took me 6 hours to do one butterfly. And there's a couple of reasons why it took that long. But here, I'll go ahead and show you. There's this little butterfly. So cute, right? So cute. A little bigger than I had anticipated, but that's okay. It's still awesome. Okay, but if you'll notice, the wings are not the same as how she has it on the pattern. And that's because for some reason my brain could not process. I don't know. It's like I was having this big, huge mental block going on. I was reading and I understood how she was doing it. The wings. I understood how she was doing it, but for the life of me, my brain kept trying to say, there's an easier way, there's an easier way, and it kept hindering me from moving forward. And so, like, the head didn't take no time at all, the antennas didn't take no time at all. The body, I did mess with the body to where the arms are included in the round. I did mess with that, but those wings just befuddled me. And I just kept telling myself, there's got to be an easier way. Even as I'm making them, I was like, my brain is slowing me down by saying there's an easier way. So I walked away from it and I went back. I tried something else. I walked away. I went back. I tried something else. And I finally came with these wings. So I just, my brain just would not let me process that pattern that she had on there. I don't know. That's just the way my brain works, I guess. And so after finally mastering this one, last night I managed to get this one done. So, yeah. 2 butterflies for yesterday. I just, I don't know. My brain just wouldn't go there. Okay, so that's about it. Today, this evening, I am going to work on, later this evening, I'm going to try Crochet Vagina's flamingo pattern. And we'll see how that goes. I've been really wanting to add some birds other than chickens and ducks. But check out my dress. I got this dress on Temu, and I had to alter the sleeves a little bit because, I got chunky arms. But this is the cutest. Look at these chickens. I love it. I love it. It is just awesome. Big old chicken. I love it. It's so cute. Anyway, I just had to share that with y'all. All right. So my market tomorrow is it's going to be a car show, and it's going to be helping with the funds for the mechanic shop for school for kids to learn how to do mechanics, and so that's a good cause, and it's a private school here, but hey, car shows usually bring quite a few people out to, one, show their cars, and two, to see the cars. And I'm right up there. I like to go do that too. So it should be a pretty good event. Um, but then again, it's brand spanking new, and I don't know if enough word has been spread about it. So fingers crossed it goes pretty well. But if it doesn't, that's okay, because I am booked for the for 5 weekends. Next 5 weekends. So we'll see how it goes. All right. Well, I appreciate y'all hanging out with me, and I will see y'all next time. Bye bye.